guys, just a guy in tech here. In today's video, I'll be comparing the $400 Mavic Mini to the $1,600 DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which is also the world's most popular consumer drone. But before we start off, I wanted to tell you guys, please follow the guidelines issued by your country to combat the virus. I'm here in the United States, so I'm following the guidelines issued by the CDC. If any one of you was wondering what precautions you need to take to combat the virus, I'll attach the link to the CDC's website down below in the description. Go check it out. We are all in this together and we shall overcome this by staying home, by practicing social distancing and by being responsible. So please be safe, guys. Now, coming back to the video, the main intention of this video is to compare the Mavic Mini to a professional drone like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Hopefully by the end of this video, it'll help you decide which drone is right for you. Actually, before you start seeing this video, pause the video right here and go check out my Mavic Mini review. I'll attach the link to the video right here or down below in the description, because whatever I say in this video will be based on that. So pause the video right here, go check it out and come back. I'll wait. So first, let's talk about the design. Both the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro almost share the same design, but where the difference is in the size and in their weight. The Mavic Mini weighs only 249 grams and is as small as a smartphone, whereas the Mavic 2 Pro weighs 907 grams, that's roughly 3.5 times the weight of the Mavic Mini. And also, when the Mavic 2 Pro is fully folded like this, it's twice the size of the Mavic Mini. So clearly the Mavic Mini is the winner in terms of size. But due to its weight and size, the Mavic 2 Pro can withstand wind speeds up to 29 to 38 km per hour and temperatures between -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. But the Mavic Mini, due to its low weight, can only withstand wind speeds up to 28.4 km per hour and temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Let's talk about the cameras on these drones. Though the Mavic Mini is so small, it still is equipped with the same 3-axis gimbal like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The gimbal ensures that your footage is smooth and shake-free. The Mavic Mini is capable of taking 12 megapixel photos in JPEG format and is able to take videos up to 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second. In comparison, the Mavic 2 Pro can take 20 megapixel photos in both JPEG and RAW format and is also able to capture 4K resolution videos up to 30 frames per second. The Mavic 2 Pro features a 1-inch camera sensor, which is the largest camera sensor that you can find on any DJI drone. In comparison, the Mavic Mini features a 1 by 2.3-inch camera sensor. Now, the Mavic Mini doesn't give the user much control over the camera parameters such as the ISO, aperture and shutter speed, whereas the Mavic 2 Pro gives the user a lot of control over these camera parameters. So now, let's talk about the flight time and the batteries on these drones. The Mavic Mini has a flight time of 30 minutes on a fully charged battery, whereas the Mavic 2 Pro has a flight time of around 31 minutes according to the DJI's website. But I typically got around like 25 minutes on the Mavic Mini and 20 minutes on the Mavic 2 Pro. But that clearly depends on what you're doing with your drone. Obviously, when you're taking high resolution videos like 4K with the Mavic 2 Pro, it obviously has lesser flight time when you compare it with the Mavic Mini, which can only take videos up to 2.7K resolution. Also, the Mavic Mini has a maximum range of up to 4 kilometers, whereas the Mavic 2 Pro has a maximum range of up to 8 kilometers. Now, let's talk about the sensors on these drones. The Mavic Mini only has ground-facing sensor, whereas the Mavic 2 Pro has omnidirectional sensing. It has 2 front-facing sensors, 2 rear-facing sensors, one on the left, one on the right, one on the top and 2 at the bottom. So you feel much safer when you're flying the Mavic 2 Pro. And I really wish that the Mavic Mini had more sensors than just having only one ground-facing sensor. Let's talk about the intelligent modes on these drones. The Mavic Mini has 4 different quick shots: circle, rocket, helix and drone. Along with the quick shots, the Mavic Mini also has return to home functionality, which means when the Mavic Mini senses that the battery is low or when you lose signal with your drone, it returns back to its original position from where it was launched. The Mavic 2 Pro features a much larger selection of these intelligent methods. Along with the return to home functionality, the Mavic 2 Pro also has various other functionalities. Some of them are tap to fly, point of interest and active track. These are by far the most selling points for the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, the Mavic 2 Pro also has 6 different quick shots, 4 of which are also present in the Mavic Mini. But it has 2 different quick shots, that is the asteroid and the boomerang. Clearly, the Mavic 2 Pro aces the Mavic Mini in almost all the departments. But the point I see right here is the Mavic Mini at $400 competes with the Mavic 2 Pro. And the Mavic Mini may have certain limitations, but it certainly justifies the price tag of $400. For $400, you get a drone with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. You get a drone that can record videos up to 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second. You get a drone that can take 12 megapixel photos, and in spite of doing all this, it's still as small as your smartphone. So whether you're starting out flying drones or you have crazy awesome professional plans with your drones, both these drones are excellent choices. Both offer their own unique advantages. Also guys, a huge shout out to my friend Salal Goparaju, aka Lazy Shutter, who was kind enough to send me his Mavic 2 Pro for this video. He's an amazing photographer and has an amazing Instagram page where you can see all his photos. I'll attach the link down below in the description, so be sure to check it out and do follow him there. So that's it guys, I hope you did like this video. If you did like this video, go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Also do let me know in the comments which was your favorite drone. I'll attach the links for both these drones down below in the description, so go check these drones out. I'll also attach my links to my Twitter and Instagram profile in the description, so go check it out. So until then, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.